We're gonna walk up on this place, see what we can see. I like that spot where my guy is. I like my chances over here. So, but we're getting bites, so that's good. I just gotta find a little more size. I don't like working around here. I feel like I'm gonna... Oh, there's one. That's a better one. That's a better fish. Stay on. That's a better fish. Stay pinned. Oh, he got a mouthful. Yeah, that one's staying pinned. Come here. Oh, yeah, that's a much better bass. Oh, come here. I gotcha. I gotcha. That's a better fish. Ah, stop. I'll get you off. Just stop. I will take you off. I will remove you. Ah, stop. Brother, stop. That's a much better fish. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna take a quick picture. Send it to him. Alright. There's side view. Goodbye. Head on out. He is running right at me. Nice. Solid little guy. We'll take it. It's a fat one. We're slowly putting a bag together. It's hard to go away from this lure. It just works in here. It's so shallow. Stocky little guy. Not quite as big as the other, but still a very nice fish. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, head on out, buddy. There's quite a lot of kick to it, I would admit. So. There's one on the mag draft. Well, they'll bite it. All right, well, the first mag draft bass is not a giant, but it is a bass. Okay. And yes, it got him in the lower lip. Okay. He's historic because he's the first ever mag draft bass, and he does have amazing colors. We'll give him that. I gotta. Yeah, I know. That does not look like. No, no. Uh-oh.
Just waiting on my one strike. There he is. Oh yeah. It's a good one too, I think. Okay. Not bad at all. Alright. Oh yeah, we'll take it. Take it all day and twice on Sunday. He may not be. Oh, he's barely hooked and he's in a bunch of shit. Can we get him out? Yes, we can. Okay. Okay. Just okay. He's solid about a 6. Ah, jeez. Okay, stop. Chill. You hooked pretty good actually, but I will get you off. And then show you the camera and put you back. Very pretty fish. Chunky. This says, ooh, it's got a nasty something going on in his tail. That's pretty gross. But other than that, he's healthy. Not gonna hold on to him very long. That was pretty gross.